Men were disallowed because the Prophet ﷺ, in the wisdom that Allah gave him, knew that men will show off. They will become more arrogant just to show off to people. I mean, silk, gold. You see some men, they wear gold here, gold there, gold here, gold here, gold there, gold in the neck, gold in the ears, gold in the nose, gold in the mouth. I don't know where else they wear it. As though that makes them golden. As though that makes them better. Actually, they look stupid. They look like something fake. Because man, Allah gave man the quality of different sifat and different qualities to enhance them with their masculinity, their leadership, their voice, their body, their power. That gives quality. You put as much gold in a man and he doesn't have that, the woman would leave him the first day. She wouldn't even want to marry that thing. Because it's natural that they look for manliness in a man, not jewelry and silk and gold. And that's another lecture that I'm not going to talk about. So I want to tell our men and viewers all over the world, don't think gold and silk makes a man, gives a man quality. Men were blessed with different qualities. It doesn't matter how much you put on you, it doesn't give you that blessing that Allah gave you in your manliness quality. So men were not allowed so that they will not add arrogance to what they're already blessed with, this manliness quality, this heroic personality. But it's sad to see men do not demonstrate heroic personality. They put on this camouflage thing, thinking that will make them look like a man. But real men know they are not men. What? Real men know they are not men.